Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a very special unboxing for you today. This has been a long-awaited item that I have had my eyes on for the last 3 months. This is a coveted piece that is very hard to find. It is currently sold out pretty much everywhere in stores, particularly in this color and material. On that note, why don't we go ahead and get right into it. You may or may not have gotten a peek of what I have inside the box, but I do just want to give a huge shout out to my girl, Rebecca Stock. I will link her Instagram for you down below. She sourced this item for me and I can't say or thank you enough. I can't tell you how happy I am for her being able to source this item for me. I literally texted her and a week later she reached out saying she was able to track it down for me from California, from Beverly Hills specifically, and shipped it out to me. I had it in less than 24 hours from her reaching out. So thank you, Rebecca, if you're watching this video. Really, really appreciate it. I would highly recommend using her to source all of your luxury handbag needs. Again, I will include her Instagram for you down below. Let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing, shall we? Okay. Now, there was no frills with this box and packaging. This was the last piece that they had available. It was literally hidden in the back of the storeroom. And I'm, again, so happy that she was able to find it for me. It came from the Beverly Hills store and was shipped to me within 24 hours. I probably received it in less than 24 hours from when she reached out to me. So we have here a nice little receipt in the envelope. And you can see here it was purchased from Neiman Marcus. And we've got the item price tag here, and it tells you the color as well as the fabric lining and the item here. So why don't we go ahead and get right into opening the item. So as you can see here, this is a Loro PIANA item. Let's just get that out of the way. This is a Loro PIANA item. Again, this item has become extremely popular, particularly in the quiet luxury world. This item has been seen on celebrities from Bella Hadid, Gigi Hadid, to Sophia Richie. Even my girl Cassie Thorpe filmed a video recently comparing the Loro PIANA to the new Mini Kelly, or essentially saying that the Loro PIANA, this particular item, has become the new Mini Kelly. So I'm not going to leave you guessing. I'm going to go ahead and open this cutie. Now, I originally saw this bag. Truth be told, I saw it on Sophia Richie and I also saw it on Mariana Hewitt, and I absolutely fell in love. This is the extra pocket pouch, the L19 extra pocket pouch. Now I am going to read a little bit about the history of this bag, the quality, the product details directly from the website, because I figure why not go directly to the source to provide you with accurate information. So you'll see here, this is in the white color. I mean, it's essentially their version of white. I will give you the color name as they describe it on their website. And it's got the silver hardware detail. You'll see the Loro PIANA emblem or name there, as well as on the little circular zipper. Look how cute. I'm just going to close up for you guys so you can see it. Again, this is the silver hardware, and this is a calfskin leather. Now this bag does have the option of being worn as crossbody as well as a top handle bag. So while I keep this cutie here for you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up my iPad, which I have, and I am on the Loro PIANA website, which I will share with you guys right here. So according to the Loro PIANA website, this is the extra pocket pouch, the L19. This is actually calfskin leather and it's made in Italy. This particular item does retail for $2,250. And according to the website, I'm going to read directly from them. This extra pocket pouch combines luxury materials with a distinctive minimalist style. Its sophisticated functional design meets the demands of the modern dynamic woman. Thanks to a wide opening, you can have all of your necessities immediately at hand. It is crafted from luxury, lightly hammered calfskin with a striking, naturally soft texture and appearance. I did want to go into the product details a little bit. So the leather handle and shoulder strap is included. It's also got that double-sided zipper closure with the charms that I showcased and the silver colored metal hardware. The dimensions are 11 by 19 by 6.5 centimeters. And the composition is 100% calf skin. The lining is 100% lambskin. In terms of care and maintenance, it does recommend that you refrain from overloading the item to ensure that it keeps its shape year after year and to just handle it with care. So obviously in this light colored version, you want to just be very careful about color transfer, particularly if you're wearing jeans or denim or maybe anything black that might transfer onto the bag. It also recommends keeping it away from direct sunlight, humidity, and heat for extended periods of time, as well as contact with cosmetics, perfume, and other chemical substances. It does recommend that if the item becomes dirty or wet, you do not use soap or solvents, so that's good to know. And they recommend using a professional cleaning service. Always entrust your leather garments to a specialist, and the item should be stored inside the original dust bag whenever not in use. Roll any shoulder strap when not in use and make sure the handles are not folded. So that's good to know for me because I tend to fold my straps and my handles when I'm not using them. Now, in terms of the exact color, now I'm on the website and I will include the website down below for you guys, but on the website, it does not even feature this color anymore. So this color has been sold out. I'm not sure if it's in production anymore. They do have some similar colors, like you have this ostrich leather here, and this one retails for $5,575. This one is in the color light travertine. They also have a lizard version and a canvas version. Now, these are the colors. Now, see, they're not available. This handbag has been so widely popular, it's essentially unavailable. You'll see on the website in many colors, it says not available. I do have my eye on the ostrich version. It is a little bit pricier, as I mentioned. So this is the L19, which is the smaller version in the color Inca Stone. This one retails for $4,825. And again, it's that ostrich leather. They are all made in Italy. This does come in two sizes, as I mentioned. So this one is the L19, which is the smaller size. It is also available in a larger size, known as the L27. The L27 is obviously going to be a little pricier because of the larger size, so it's more leather. This is the linen version in the L27, which I think is super cute for summer. It just looks like a nice little summer travel piece. I think I've become so obsessed with this brand, I may very well start incorporating other materials and perhaps even different sizes. Let's get into the specifics of the bag. It does come with the adjustable crossbody strap, as I mentioned. It's all leather. It does have one, two, three, four, five, six, 7 holes in total. It's very easily adjustable, so you just pull it off like so, and you just drag it to the size that you want and line it up. It's got 2 buttons here, and you just, once you line it up, you just pop it into the hole, pop it in there, and then you tuck the strap into the sleeve here so that this piece is not flopping around. Now the leather is it's durable, but it is delicate. You can tell it's very, very high quality. I mean, just from feeling the bag, it is buttery soft. I mean, like butter. You've got that beautiful sort of pebbled grained leather. I mean, look at that. Look at the detail of that. It's so beautiful. I'm hoping the lighting is picking it up. Now, the crossbody, the way you wear this as a crossbody, and I'm not going to take it off now, but you have to basically open up these clasps and tuck it underneath here, the tabs. Now, if there is one con, I would say about this bag, it is that I would have preferred maybe a bigger loop or perhaps a metal hardware loop, silver hardware loop, so that I'm not essentially damaging the leather of this loop here. Because it is leather and it's pretty tightly secured to the top handle, I worry about getting this piece underneath it in order to make it a crossbody. So that's one con for me. You know, adjusting this and taking this off and on is going to be, you know, a little worrisome for me, only because I like the ability of wearing it crossbody, but I also like the versatility of being able to wear it as, you know, non-crossbody. So this is how I've been wearing it. I kind of, you know, have it on the last hole there, and I don't have the last one hooked, which, you know, may damage the bag. I might actually want to move it up here and just clip it in there. So that way they're both tightly secured and I run less risk of damaging the actual crossbody strap. So once you secure this, this is very tight. It's not going to move. This doesn't automatically slide up and down. So it's pretty tightly secured there, which is nice. Again, love this top handle option. I might even wear it like that with the crossbody strap hanging, similar to my Nano Speedy. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Truth be told, I did unbox this prior, so I did go ahead and wear this. I was so excited when I got this item that I just had to wear it right away. So let's go ahead and see. So I have my key clay in here. I have my keys. I really should put them inside my key clay, right? It sort of defeats the purpose. My hair clip, my Glossier lip balm in the color Villa. This is another Sofia Richie recommendation. I love this color, it's beautiful. And my plant-based chocolate protein bar. This is a really good brand and flavor. It's a plant-based vegan protein bar, and it's got 15 grams of protein. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I recently started a new diet, so I'm trying to be very good. This is the inside of the bag. So again, it is lined with lambskin. So it is just pure luxury. And there's no labels, no trademarks, no names. And all you see is the Loro PIANA made in Italy inside. Look how beautiful that is. And it's very roomy, it's very soft, so it's very easy to stretch and mold and get in and out of. So this is very convenient. And I love this color because I'm trying to incorporate more neutrals into my collection. I have a lot of black bags. If you recently watched my video featuring my entire luxury handbag collection, you'll know that I have a lot of black bags. And if they're not black, they're really the browns and beiges of Gucci and Louis Vuitton. So I wanted something that was a little more understated, a little bit lighter, and I don't have a white bag. So this color, for reference, is considered winter white. I may or may not be wrong about that, but there are a couple of other pieces on the Loro PIANA website, and they refer to this color as winter white. There's no feet on the bottom of the bag, so you have to be very cautious with it, especially if you're putting it down. And there's no back pocket. So this is it. It's pretty simple, very straightforward. There's no inner pocket either. It's just one big opening, one big pocket. The other con I would say is these two zippers. So I like the option of having one zipper or one flap to get in and out of. Having the two here, you do kind of have to manipulate it. But that's only because I like having it in the middle. You could wear it like so to the side, maybe, and then just open and close one. But I like the way it looks with the two in the middle, especially because that's really the only detail that the bag has are these two little charms, which I think are so cute. So you kind of want to showcase them, right? So let me know what you guys think about this bag. Are you as excited as I am? Would you purchase a bag like this, or would you purchase anything from Loro PIANA? Truth be told, be honest. Again, I think this is a very up-and-coming bag. I think it is so widely popular. From what I understand and hear, they're not going to be manufacturing more in certain colors until January. So there may be more colors and options that do become available after the holidays and in the new year. Let me know if you love this bag and if you would purchase from Loro PIANA. If you have any other questions about the bag, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. If I hit my 1,000 YouTube subscriber threshold by the end of September 2023, you will be choosing my next handbag purchase. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.